चूड़ियां नहीं लेते मैम डांटेगी।
मम्मी झाड़ दी होगी स्टार्ट।
लो 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 लो।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून
मैम। कितना तो
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
मैं तो मम्मी सामान रख लिया है ना, ये टेबल पे रखा हुआ है, जाकर मैं बैठी हूँ। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
क्या करेंगे?
इसका
Good afternoon,
मैम।
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम।
यस मैम।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम। हैप्पी
Happy New Year to all of you. And we will be starting the class in 5 minutes as many students are joining. Okay, so be ready with all the material. I will be starting the class in 5 minutes when all the students will be joined. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Can you all see me? Can you all see my drawing? Show me a thumbs up if you can. Yes? Okay. Okay. So, first of all, a very, very happy new year to all of you. How was your new year? Was it good? That's okay. If you don't have watercolors, if you don't have any of the material, that is fine. Okay, don't worry. It was good? Yes. Okay, so today we are going to create a New Year drawing only where a little angel will be wishing you a very happy New Year. Okay? So is everyone ready to get started? Yes? Okay. So take your drawing copy. I have taken an A4 size and I have kept it vertically. I've kept it vertically like this. Okay, like this you have to keep, and you need a circle. You will need a circle which will be little bigger than the bangle. Okay, I will be drawing it using my hands, but you can draw a circle which is little bigger than a bangle. Okay, is everyone ready with the material? Show me a thumbs up if yes, you are ready. Okay, whatever questions you have, you can put it in the chat box. Okay, so I will answer them immediately. Yes, good. So now I will draw, keep the bangle in the center and shift it little upwards, okay? And then you have to draw the circle. Okay, you can use a circle which is little bigger than a bangle also. I will be drawing a circle using my hands only. Okay, so I have drawn a circle. Okay. Now I will take the center upper part. You have to take the center like this. Okay. And you have to draw a line, a small line. 1. Make a 1. Okay. Yes. Now I will take a small, just in front of this, I will make a small C. Not a C, but a flat line only. Very little curvy line. This kind of. Okay, like this. And I will take 2 dots, one here and one here. First of all, you complete it till here. And after this, I'll show you what to do next. Okay. Not in the center exactly. If I... Okay. So, this is not in the center. I have left some space here and some space is left here also. Okay. Now I will take 2 dots, 1 and 2 in front. Again, the dots are not exactly in center. If you see that the dots are not exactly in center, but little downwards. Okay. Now I will connect this line with this line.
like this. And I will connect this line with this line. This is the line of my circle and this is the line. Okay. And I'll connect it with the circle only. So you know what will happen? We will get the shape of a chin, a beautiful chin. Okay. Okay, completed till here. Okay, I'll tell you from the beginning. I made a circle which is little bigger than the bangle. Okay. Then I took a dot in the center and I made a 1. Then I took 2 dots here and 1 dash here. And then I connected the ends of the dot dash with the dots. Now I don't need these lines, these 2 lines. So I will erase them. I don't need these 2 lines. So I will simply erase them. Okay, like this. And you know, you have to make them or connect them in such a way that it should look like a shape. If you see mine, it is looking like one shape. Okay, it is not looking like separate ones. So you have to take care of this. Okay. Right? Done? Okay. Now, you know this point, I will connect this point with this point, making an S. Okay. So I will make an S. And I'll connect it like this. And this side also, I will make the S and I'll connect it like this. Okay, you have to connect it nicely like this. Okay. Now I will make another S coming from here and little inside. It will go like this. Here also it will go like this. Inside. It does not have to be perfect. Okay. It can be random. Now I will make 2 eyes. Okay. So I will make 2 big circles. 1 and 2. I'll make 2 big circles. Okay, far from each other. They will be little away from each other. Make 2 circles. Okay. And they are little long. So what I'll do, I'll cut them at the bottom. I will cut them at the bottom. Yes, these are the hair. We will complete them later. But these are the hair. Okay. And I will erase the lower line also. I don't need this lower line. So I'll simply erase this line also. Okay. And you know, these circles, these are oval actually, oval shape, right? Now I will make 1 and 2 eyebrows. Now in the center, I will make a little nose like this. Right? Yes, Riva. I will make little nose in the center and I will make little smile like this. Okay, now we will make the eyes part and you have to take good care while making the eyes. I'll show you. How many of you are done till here? Everyone is done? Yes? Okay. So now I will make the circle inside the eye. So you have to make the first circle, which would go like this. First, 1 and 2. In both the eyes, this circle would go like this. Now one more circle we have to make and which is inside this. Okay. So again it will touch the eye but it will be smaller. 1 and 2. 2 circles we have made. Okay. So we have made 2 circles again. Now how many of you are done till here? Show me a thumbs up if you are done. You have to show me a thumbs up. Okay. Now I will make small circle inside. Small circle inside. And just below this circle, I will make another circle. 2 circles I will make inside. A bigger one and a smaller one. Okay. Okay, and you know, make sure that this mouth should be very close to this chin. Okay, there should not be too much gap. Like here, is little bit gap. So, how many of you are done till here? I will draw another line just inside this to make it little closer. Okay, so I'm drawing one more line to complete the shape now. And now I will erase this line. If you think that this space, because you know mouth is supposed to be close to the chin, right? So if the space is too much, you have to make another line inside adjusting this. Okay, and we will erase this lower line. Okay, because we had taken it just for the measurement. Okay, so now see, now it looks perfect. Fix it by yourself. Yes, Ishita. Ishita, I'm very sorry I cannot unmute any one of you, but you can put your question in the chat box. Okay? So I can see it. Whatever question you're putting now, I'll be able to see that. Yes. Now we have to take one dot here and one dot here. Take two dots on the chin, on the both sides of the chin. And now from this dot, we will make a U. One like this, a U shape. And other in the other direction. Like this. Okay. Okay. So I have taken two dots on one this side and one this side. And then I made U shape. 1 and 2. I will make it nicely. And I'll connect it like this with straight line. Okay. That's very good, Ishita. You just have to fix this part because your mouth is quite upper. Okay. The distance between mouth and chin is too much. So you have to fix it. You have to draw another line inside, just the last step that we did. Okay, now I will can you all see me? Yes. Okay. So now from this is the sleeve. Okay. So now I will make a U again, one like this and one like this. This is little curved but flat. Okay. Okay. I cannot find you. Labha, I cannot find you in my. Okay, I got. Very good. It is nicely done. Very good, everyone. Okay. So now what we have to do, I will take two dots, one and two. Take two dots like this. Okay, and after making these two dots, you have to connect these two dots, making a C, and make sure your C touches the end of these U shape that we make. It should touch it. Okay, it should touch it like this. Now you have to make C both the sides, big C. Big C both the sides. And again, you have to make a C for cat just below this. First of all, complete it till here and then show me a thumbs up. When you're done, you have to show me a thumbs up so that I can know that, okay, you're done. Okay. So now I will make another C both the sides. Make another big C both the sides. And this ways you will keep making the C and you have to give it a form of a cloud. Okay, which will go till the end of the page. Right? So you have to make it look like a cloud. How many of you are done with the clouds, everyone? Show me a thumbs up if you're done and show me a thumbs down if you are doing. If you are not done and you're doing, okay? Those who are not done, please show me a thumbs down. Okay, completed. Completed. I can see few thumbs down. Those who are showing thumbs down, please complete it. Completed. Okay. Okay. So now I will take two dots on the sleeves. Take two dots on the sleeve in the center of this U part. 1 and 2. And you will make a C for cat connecting like this. 1 and 2. A flat C. It will be a flat C, okay? Okay, now I will make a U shape in the center to show the sleeves. That okay, these are the sleeves. Okay, now you know this S we had made, I will make another S and it will come like this. I will continue it and I'll make another S and it will come like this till downwards. Same with this side, it will come like this. Okay, now this line we had made in the center, now it will go little out of the circle, and I will make again an S. Okay, like this. Again you have to make an S. What we did, we made an S just at the end of this, then we extended this line and we made another S. What are we making? We are making the hair. Okay, so you have to make an S like this, and again I will make an S which will be continuation of this, and it would be like this. So these are the hair. Okay, the hair of my angel. And after doing this, I will erase this line. I don't need this line, so I will erase it. Same I have to do this side also. I have to make nice hair for the girl, for the angel. And to do that, I will again I'll come till here and I'll make an S. I will make an S. And after making this S, I will make another S which will touch this point. Okay. And now again, I'll come till here and I'll connect it like this. And after this, I'll again erase this line because I don't need it. Okay, so we are done till here. And now, are the angels complete without feathers, without their wings? No, Hannah? All the angels have beautiful feathers, right? So now we will make their feathers or their wings. Okay, so on the hair is on this curve, take a dot. And again on this curve, take one more dot. Okay, and now I will make a straight line going like this upwards, and here also I'll make another line going like this. Two lines will go, one this side and one this side. And now I will make again C for cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like mine got completed in 6. You can make any number that complete your wings and touch them to the cloud. Okay, they will be touched in the cloud. So this is the complete drawing. Okay, this is the complete drawing. Yes, I'll be checking the drawing of all of you, but before that, I want to get completed with our artwork, okay? With our current artwork. So now here you have to write Happy New Year. So I will write Happy New Year. I've written Happy New Year, okay? And now I'll take the sketch pen, the black sketch pen, and I will start doing the outline. Okay, so open your sketch pen and start doing the outline of all the areas that we have filled the color. Okay, so first of all, I'll write this Happy New Year nicely. HAPPY Happy New YEA. Happy New Year. Okay, now I will complete the outline of rest of my drawing. So I'll be using my sketch pen and I will complete the rest of the drawing. Okay, I will keep my drawing copy like this so that you can see, and it is easier for me also to outline it like this. After keeping it like this, it becomes little easy to outline. I'll outline the V, the hands, the nose, the eyes, inside the eyes, You have to outline all the areas exactly the way you have drawn it. Okay. The dress of the angel. You have to erase it like this. Sorry, outline it like this. And I'm done with the cloud also. Now I will be completing the feathers, the wings part. Okay, so here I get done with my drawing. And this is how my complete drawing is looking like. Okay, this is how my drawing is looking like. I'll be waiting for all of you to complete it. And after this, we will start coloring it using plastic crayons. Okay, you all must be having plastic crayons with you. Yes, if you don't have plastic crayons, you can use pencil colors also. No, don't start the coloring now. We will do it together, okay? We will do the coloring together. Yes, that is why I'm not doing. I'm waiting for a couple of minutes and after this I will start. Okay, so this is the drawing and now we will start to color it. Yes, we will be erasing extra lines also. But always erase the line after a couple of minutes of doing the outline. Very important part. Otherwise, it is wet and it starts spoiling the image. It has happened with me many times that if I try to do it just after outlining, it starts behaving strangely. Okay. So now I will start erasing all extra pencil lines and I will get clean drawing. Neat and clean drawing I'll get. Okay, so I'm erasing all the parts and blow it away. Like this. Right? Now you all can show me your drawing. Please show me your drawing. I want to see what you have done. Beautiful. Very good. Okay. You all have done it very nicely. Very good. Okay. So I've done it till here. Now I will take the plastic crayons. Take the plastic crayons and we will start coloring. Okay. Now we will start coloring in the drawing. So first of all, okay, one more thing is left, which we will do it right now, that we have to pick up the black sketch pen and you know the inner ball, the inside ball, we have made two small balls, the circle which is just outside of it. I'll zoom it in so that you can see. Yes. So this one, I will color this area with black sketch pen. You have to colorize it using black sketch pen, okay? Carefully. Make sure that these inner two balls are not colored, okay? This is the most important part. And now take the blue color, the shiny blue color, and fill it in the outer ball. So the eyes will look completed. Now the eyes are completed. So we have made blue eyes for the angel. If you don't have sketch pen, then in that case, you can do the outline using pencil only. Make it little darker and thicker. Paint and paintbrush, I will not suggest with this because sketch pen will start spreading otherwise, okay? And it will spoil the look of the image. Now you have to take orange color. Take the orange color and skin color. I've taken these two colors. So first of all, I will pick up the orange color. Please, those who are messaging me to see the artworks, I will be checking it, but we will complete the artwork first, okay? And then I'll ask you to show and then you can show me. Okay, and one more thing, that pick up your sketch pen and you know, make this upper line darker. Make it little darker, this outer line. Little thicker and darker, okay? And then one, two, three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You have to make the eyes. Yes. Now pick up this orange color and start making an outline with orange color inside the face. Start making a nice outline inside the face. Okay, like this. If you don't have skin color, you can use light orange color in that case. Okay, I will make little outline outside the eyes also, so that it would also look good. And you can make little blush also. Very light, not darker. Okay. Like this. Now after doing this part, if you don't have skin color, use light orange. Okay. Now I will do a light outline. I'll do the outline again at the bottom part and upper part also. But this outline would be light. Okay. And same light thing we will do in the nose. You have to do it in the nose also. Okay, wherever we see the skin part, we will do it. So I'll do it inside the hands. And inside the neck. Okay. And now when I'm done, if you don't have orange, use pink color, light pink color. Okay. And now I will take my skin color and I will fill it all over. So I will just start filling the color. I will take my color from the orange and then I will come out and I'll do, but I'll start coloring from the orange part only. Okay, so you have to start coloring now. Coloring will be done in one direction. Make sure you color it in one direction. Very important thing. Okay, so do it like this. Cover all the areas. Okay, and this phase I get done with my face. With the face of angel. With the neck and here also. You have to fill the color in the neck part and in the hair part also. Okay. Do you like the face of angel? How many of you are liking your face of angel? Yes? Okay. So now is the time to do the hair. Okay. And to do the hair part, I will take 3 colors. In fact, I will take 4 colors. Black, light brown color, dark brown color, and this is yellow ochre and this is black. Okay, so these are the colors I will be using to do the hair. And if you don't have any one of them, that is completely fine. These are the 4 colors I have taken. Black, yellow ochre or mustard color, dark brown and light brown. If you don't have any one of them, that is completely fine. Okay. So first of all, you have to pick up the black color and you have to fill it here in this area. Okay, inside this part we had made, and you know, even in this part also we will fill the hair light. Okay, the black. Like this. That's okay. If you don't have any of these colors now, that is completely fine. No worries. So you have to color it till the end like this. And I have filled the black color inside the hair in this part and in this part also. Okay, make it darker. Is everyone done till here? Show me a thumbs up if you are done with this part. Yes? Okay. So now again, black color we will use, and you know what we have to do? We will be making hair now. So you have to start from this center line and you have to go along the flow. The hair has a flow, right? So you have to make a line and go according to it. Okay. So you have to make this kind of lines at certain distance, and it will connect here at the end of the hair. Okay. You can rotate it like this and do, and if you find it comfortable, I will zoom it out. Yes. Okay. Same I will do this side also. I will connect it like this. I have to make so many lines of different colors using this technique only. Now I will take light brown color and I will make so many lines with light brown color. Just make sure that they are visible. Okay. They should be visible. Make so many lines with dark brown color also, light brown color also. Okay, like this. Yes, you all have to. I'll share my number with all of you and you all have to share your drawing with me, okay, after completing. That would be actually the time when I will be able to see what you have done. Okay, so do the coloring like this. Now, when we are done with dark brown, light brown color, I'll take the dark brown color and I'll do the outline in rest of the area which are left. Okay. So I'm making the lines. Now, because we have made big lines, now I will make small lines and I'll fill the areas which I see empty. Okay. Which I see blank. Like this. So I will fill the lines in the blank areas. Okay, some part is still white, है ना? Some part is still white. So you can take this golden color and you can fill it in the background. Okay, and we will get very nice golden coloring. Golden colored hair. You can take golden color or yellow ochre, any color. Right, so you have to fill this color in rest of the hair and we will see nice golden hair of angel. Same I have to do this side. What I have done, first of all, I have made the lines of different colors and then in rest of the area, I have filled golden color. Like this. Okay. And here I get done with the coloring of my hair. Yes, very good. Many of the students are showing me and they've done amazing. Very nice. Very good. So So this is a fun technique of doing hair. Okay. Whenever you're doing hair, you can use this technique to do the hair part. And you will see that how beautiful these hair are looking. Okay. So we have done it till here. Now we have to do the background part. Okay. So let us keep these two colors in the place. And now let us take the blue color, the sky blue color, because angels are in sky, right? So I will simply start filling from the corner. I will start filling the color. You know, make sure you don't fill the color. Maintain some distance from the feathers, the wings of angel. Okay, maintain a good distance because I don't want the color to get filled in the feathers or in the clouds. Hana? So we will maintain this distance. I'm filling the color, and while filling the color in the background, it has to be sleeping lines in one direction. Okay, you don't have to do it in random directions. See, I'm doing all the coloring in same direction. Okay, so you have to follow this thing that coloring has to be done in same direction. You cannot take different directions for this. Okay, I'm doing it around the cloud. And I'm taking good care that it does not go inside. Okay, I'm filling the color here. Doing the outline around the shape is the best way to color it actually. But we are not doing the outline here, but still we are making sure that it does not go inside. You can keep a rough background at the back. Okay, so do it. Do it in the background nicely. Okay, I will fill the color here also. And if you want, you can leave this Happy New Year area also white. Like I'm doing, I'll show you how I'm doing it. That I'm not filling the color behind this Happy New Year so that, you know, it will be highlighted. It will also be highlighted. Okay, so I have filled the color. And this is how my drawing is looking now. After doing the color, if you want, you can make it little darker around the edges. Around the edges part. Okay. Make the outline around the edges part so that it would look more nice. If you see the difference here and here, you will be able to notice the change that this is looking more good. Hannah, just do the outline on both the sides of the feathers and it will give a very nice look to your drawing. I'm using the same color. This is sky blue color that I'm using. Okay, so do it like this. When you're done till here, show me a thumbs up, right? Show me a thumbs up when you are done. I know many of you are doing this coloring. So complete it. Okay. So is everyone done? Okay, okay, completed. I can see so many students are doing. So I'll be waiting for some time and then we will proceed further. Very good. If you're done, then you can show me, okay, so that I can know that, okay, you are done. Few of the students are showing they have done amazing. Very good. Very nice. Now you have to take the gray color. Okay, now take the gray color. Take the gray color and now we will be coloring the dress of our angel. Okay, so how to color the dress? I'll start with the sleeves part. I will do a thin line of sleeves inside, just an outline. I'll do just an outline in both the sleeves. Okay, like this. Very thin outline I've done. I'll zoom it in so that you can see. I have done very thin outline. Okay. Again, you have to do the same thing inside the dress also. That I will do the outline inside the dress. because the angels are wearing white gown. So we will not fill any color. We will not fill any color in the gown, but we will make them white. Ladies, if you don't have gray color, you can use yellow color or you can use sky blue color also. Okay. That's okay. If you have colored the gown pink, that is fine. Okay. But we have made the angel. Okay. And angels are white in color, right? They have golden hair and white color. So that is why we have done it. Now I will do the same thing in the feathers also. I will make light outline of gray color. Just the outline. Okay, inside. Light. Now I will fill the color inside. Like this. Okay, do the outline. Yes, after completing the artwork, I'll share my number so that you can share all the artworks on that number. Okay, you have to hold the artwork, but it is left. A big part is still left. Okay. Okay, give me just a minute. This is the number, okay? Everyone, please note it down. This is the number. After the class gets completed, you have to share all the images, whatever the artwork you have created in today's class. You have to hold it. You have to give a big smile and you have to share your artwork with me, okay? We are completing the artwork. It is not completed yet, but I want you to note down the number, okay? So that you can share your artwork with me. Now let us come to the cloud part. And this is the fun part that we are going to do. So take out the cotton. Take out the cotton and Fevicol. Okay, so we will need the cotton and the Fevicol. Okay, this is the number. I'll keep it here so that you can note it down. This is the number, okay? Yes, we are taking regular classes also. I take regular drawing classes also for all age groups. Okay, so if you're interested, you can WhatsApp me on the same number. This is the same number. Okay, now look at it very carefully. What you have to do, you have to take some cotton, spread it like this, and then you have to fold it at the back and try to make it like a circle. When you will fold it at backward, you will get a circle like this. And you have to make so many circles because we will be pasting them in the cloud. Okay. So again, I will spread the cotton. The number is already kept here. You can check check it and you can note it down. Yes, for 11 years also. See, we have senior batch for 11 years. Okay. For 10 to 15 years, we have senior batch. And for 4 to 9 years, we have junior batch. Okay. Where we do different kind of artworks. We are having a New Year artwork also currently going on. New Year workshop. Okay. So, we need to have cotton for this. If you don't have cotton, you can simply color inside this. Okay. But we will be needing cotton. So you have to make many such circles. Bigger ones and smaller ones. Okay. Make different sizes of these circles. Like this. And I'm pasting them like this. Yes, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I'll provide you all the details, okay? Those who are interested can WhatsApp me on the same number. But first you have to share your artworks with me, okay? Yes, you can. Okay, if you don't have cotton and if you have thermocol balls, you can place that also. Okay, that is completely fine. I'm making so many these circles so that I'm making so many circles so that I can cover my New Year cloud completely. If you cannot make the circle, check the method again. Okay, you have to spread it and then you have to fold the extra cotton at the back, because you know it is messy. When you tear it, it is messy, but when you fold it at the back, it becomes clean. Hana, it becomes clean and you get this kind of shape. Now I have made so many of them. So I'll keep my number aside now. Now I will take the Fevicol and I'll start applying the Fevicol. Okay, you have to apply the Fevicol nicely. Apply it on the whole cloud and even at the edges, okay. At the edges also, edges of the cloud, you have to apply it everywhere. First of all, in fact, do the outline. Then apply it everywhere on your paper very nicely so that it will get sticked properly. Right? I have applied good amount of Fevicol and now you have to start sticking it. Okay, so I'm pasting the first one and you have to overlap the hands. Okay, overlap the hands part. So I'm pasting the circles like this. You know, we can paste the cotton directly also, but it would not give that effect that we are looking for. And that is the reason why I suggest you to do it making circles first and then paste it. And it would give a cloudy effect, a very nice cloudy effect you will get by doing this. In the center area, we can simply spread the cotton and fill it. But for the edges part, we have to make the circles to make it look even more nice. Okay. So put the cotton will put it on all the edges and then I will put it in the, yes, you can use thermocol balls. I'll check all the artworks. Please WhatsApp me all the artworks so that I can check them personally. Okay, so now we are done with our cloud. Right? Now what you have to do, you have to take a rough paper. We have to take a rough paper, and when you're done with it, is everyone done till here? Show me a thumbs up if you have pasted the cotton. How many of you have pasted the cotton? Show me a thumbs down if you're still doing it. Okay. Okay, completed. Completed. So I'll wait for a minute and then I will continue. Okay, so for the classes, we are taking different batches for different age groups. Okay, so and starting from 3 years to adults. Okay, so for 3 to 5 years we have pre-junior batch, right? And for 4 to 9 years we have junior batch. Then we have senior batch, which is 10 to 15 years. Okay, so all those who are interested to join can WhatsApp me on this number only, on my WhatsApp number only, and I'll provide you all the details there, right? So we are done with this. Now what you have to do, you can keep it aside, take a drawing paper and you have to write 2021 on this paper. Nicely. 2021. Okay, you have to write 2021 on this number and write it so nicely. Okay, I'm making it a bit thick. I'm also trying to make it look good. And after writing it, you have to cut it. Okay, write it down and then you have to take the scissors and cut it. So I will remove this part at the corner of my page and make sure that I did it on another paper. Okay, on another paper. And after doing this part, what you have to do, take the gray color again and outline this. Whatever you have written, outline it from right side. Only on the right side, you have to make the outline. Like I've done it right side and downwards. I'll zoom it in even more. Okay, like this and downwards. Again, right side and downwards. Only on one side, I'll make this outline and you will see a nice 3D effect. Okay, like this and downwards. Don't get confused in this. Right side and downwards. So below this line, I could draw the outline. On the right side of this line, I have drawn the outline. But I have not done it on the left side and upwards. Okay, so this is what you have to take care of. And this is how it will get completed. Yes, 2021. On another paper, you have to write it on a separate paper. Okay, take another paper and then you have to write 2021 and then use this, use gray color to make this effect. Now we will cut it. So to cut it, I will simply make a rectangular. Okay, I will not do anything fancy. Just a rectangular I have made. Like this. I have cut it like this. And this is how it is looking now. When you are done with this now, when you have cut it, you have to show me in the screen and bring it close to the screen so that I can see. Okay, I'll show the drawing also. Very good, very nice. You know, when you're cutting it, make sure that at all four edges the distance must be equal. Like if you see the border, the space is equal. Okay, it should not be bigger at some places and smaller at some places. Okay, Ayush, you have done it correctly. You just have to cut it properly. Okay, at some places it was bigger, the space, and at some places it was smaller. Very good. Okay, so now here is the drawing. I'll show you the complete view. Now here is the drawing, and I will add Fevicol at the back again. You know, you can actually make birthday card or anything, any message using this. If you don't have gray color, use blue color. Any color you can use. There is no specific thing that you have to use gray color only. Use dark blue color, purple color, pink color, any color that you have available. Okay, and now I will paste it on the center of my cloud. So this drawing is saying Happy New Year 2021. And with this, my drawing is completed. Okay. So now can you all please show me your drawing? What you have done? This is the complete drawing of Happy New Year, where we have used plastic crayons to color this. Okay, we learned different technique to make golden hair and little 3D effect. Now, please, whatever you have done, everyone, please show it to me and bring it close to the screen. And give me a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed. Okay. Okay, very good. Bring your drawing close to the camera so that I can see. This is beautifully done by all of you. Very nice. Please hold your drawing for some time so that I can check. I can see the drawing of all of you. Okay, very good. Very nice. So this is the complete drawing. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Give me a big smile with thumbs up if you really enjoyed the drawing. Yes? That's okay. You can paste the cotton later if you don't have. And thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for being the part of this class. This is my number. Again, please note it down. Note it down, and you have to share all your artworks with me. And if you're interested to join the classes, we are taking regular classes of drawing and coloring. And if you love to draw and color, you're most welcome. Okay. We can learn so many different artworks there. Beautifully done by all of you. You all have done amazing. Very nice. Okay. So with this, no, we are not providing the certificate, but the classes are skill enhancement classes and students are doing great. They perform so well and they learn a lot. Like in today's class, you learned a lot, right? Were you all able to learn something new today? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Have you done this kind of artwork ever? No? Yes. So, you will learn so many different art techniques, how to use the color correctly. It is very important. We have so many colors and we keep using them. But if we don't have the technique, we are not able to get the right result. है ना? We are not able to get the desired result. Yes. So you all please note down this number and you have to WhatsApp me. I'll be waiting to see the drawing of all of you. Okay. I will be waiting. So bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. With this, I'll wind up with the class. Thank you so much for being a part of this class and being wonderful, wonderful students. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. And Happy New Year once again. Happy New Year to all of you.